Hey guys, MT here. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience by making yogurt. I'll be sharing with you all the techniques that I make a condensed and consistent yogurt depending on whatever you desire. First, you need a can of sweetened condensed milk, a bottle of whole milk. I like this brand, rLife, with ultra filtered milk. Well, depends on your references. It's gonna be different for you guys. For me, the first time I made yogurt in the instant pot, I used 5 cans of whole milk only, and it turned out really good. However, it was much thicker than I thought. I don't want my yogurt is strained, I just want it soft and creamy, so I adjust my technique in the second time and so on. Now, this recipe is perfect for me. But again, I'm not telling you guys should follow my technique exactly. You can always change the way you make it as long as you love it. My recipe is, instead of 5 cans of whole milk, I mix 1.5 can of boiled water, then 3.5 can of whole milk. Next step, we need a seed yogurt. Yes, we use yogurt to make yogurt. That's pretty amazing. I think almost any yogurt brand out there will have this one. This is really important. Live and active cultures. For those who don't use the boiled water, I recommend you to heat it first before you put it in the instant pot. Now you can turn on the medium heat, not too hot. Stir it for 3 minutes and then turn off the heat, stirring it for another 2 minutes. The last step, 1 cup of water in the pot and put the yogurt chars in and set the hour from 8 to 10 hours. I will select 9 hours in average. The more hours you set, the more sour it gets. Again, for those who don't have the instant pot, you can use whatever technique to keep the yogurt warm at 180 Fahrenheit or 82 Celsius degrees. Now let's try the result. Wow, the taste is incredible. I can eat it all day, but it's most recommended that the best way to consume yogurt is 2 to 3 bottles a day. So I eat it one after lunch and one after dinner. This is how I make yogurt at home. Hope you guys get a lot of information in this video. Make it yourself, try it. If it's good, share with your family and give me a comment. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your life.